On today's menu, an easy and delicious recipe to spice up that weekly rotation. An extraordinary chili tomato noodles. Lei ho ma, as it's going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Yeung. This pasta recipe is fast, delicious, will definitely make it to that weekly menu, and today's episode is a bit of a companion video to one of the recipes found in the brand new 4th cookbook, Dining In with Will. Let's begin. Bring a pot of water to boil for the pasta. Three pieces of garlic, thinly sliced. Half a red onion, thinly sliced. Quarter a Roma tomato, then slice the quarters in half. The tomato will add some acidity, some natural sweetness, and some robustness to the sauce. Finally, chop 2 sticks of green onion. Broccoli would go really well with this dish as well, but for today, the green onions will be the only greens going into this dish, so be generous. Set aside the green onions. Sauté pan. Medium heat. 2 tablespoons chili oil. This is the smoky little spicy chili oil made in a past episode. Looks like I have to make a little bit more myself, but I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check that out. Make it really easily at home. Red onions. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Boil about a quarter pound of fettuccine for about a minute less than package instructions. In this case, about 11 minutes, and remember to stir occasionally. Garlic. Saute for another couple of minutes. 5 dried chili peppers, optional. 1 teaspoon sweet paprika. Half teaspoon smoked paprika. Quarter teaspoon cayenne pepper. Give the pan a good stir. 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Give the pan another good stir. Roma tomatoes. Saute for a few minutes. The juices from the tomatoes will help pick up a lot of that flavor from the pan. Transfer about half a cup of pasta cooking water to the pan. Let the sauce simmer for a couple of minutes while the pasta finishes cooking. Half tablespoon maple syrup. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Give the pan a good stir to combine all that amazing flavor. Drain out the pasta and add to the sauce. Green onions. Fold the pasta into the sauce and wilt down the green onions. This recipe is fantastic for 2 regular portions or 1 generous one. Plate the pasta. The sauce should be absorbed by the noodles. Sprinkle over some white sesame seeds and serve. You can now enjoy this delicious pasta with absolute confidence. This looks incredible and smells so good. Wow, the flavors are just extraordinary. Right off the bat, it would seem like this dish would be very spicy, but it really isn't. It has a bold smokiness and that aromatic lift from the chili oil. The noodles are perfectly cooked al dente and has that elasticity, and it's just literally glistening and glowing with that amazing sauce. The flavor combination is so unique. The tomatoes bring this fresh sweetness along with the maple syrup. The soy sauce adds that salty umami umami, and you get a hint of that heat from the cayenne pepper, and all together create this sweet, spicy, salty, extraordinary combination. Those green onions are just wilted into the noodles and still bring this nice freshness. This is another one of those beautifully rustic dishes that takes no more than 25-30 minutes. It's totally weeknight friendly and it's absolutely delicious. It's recipes like this that makes it so exciting and fun to cook at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like me, definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There is a print or digital version of these books. You can find a link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, remember to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.